Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can do detailed weather analysis for an area. You might be planning a vacation which will be like 1 month from your current date, and you would like to know how the weather would look during that time. So you can do this using this website called weather.com. You can come here and get the monthly forecast. So they will give you around 28 days of weather forecast or 1 month of forecast if I am correct. So now I'll show you how it works. You just put in the city or postcode. Let's say I'm planning a trip to Kedarnath in Uttarakhand. So this is the calendar that is available to me. Now if I want to see how the weather will look, so you can see till 29th the weather forecast is available. So if I'll click on 29th, I can see the weather. It's showing thunderstorms developing in the afternoon, and at night it will be around mix of rain and snow showers, and temperature would plunge to around 1 degree Celsius. So if I go to October, I won't see the data because there is a period of forecast they can do. So they can do it around 14 days, I guess. If you look at it, today is 15th of September 2023. Now if we look at they're giving the forecast till 29th. Till 29th is available. So in this way you'll be able to plan your trip in a better way. Now if I want a hourly forecast, I can get that too. So if you look at 15th September, what is the possibility of a thunderstorm? So this is light. So currently there is no possibility. Around 12 o'clock also there is no possibility, but around 2 o'clock in the afternoon there is a good possibility, light possibility. So this is helpful in predicting the thunderstorm. So other information is also provided here, you can see here. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.